Hello, everybody. I'm going to answer a question that I get quite a bit, which is, are Freemasons, do they know that the earth is flat? Are we told that the earth is flat? How many Freemasons know that the earth is flat? Written by Albert Pike. This book I was given after becoming a 32nd degree Mason, Freemason. My interpretation of some symbolism, which will probably be in complete disagreement with a lot of Masons, but there are a lot of Masons that have zero idea what the symbolism even means in the first 3 degrees in the Blue Lodge. The 3 great lights in Masonry is the Holy Bible, square, and compasses. So the Holy Bible, square, and compasses represent the 3 great lights in Masonry. It is the most recognizable symbol for Masons. Okay, so within Masonry, everything has multiple meanings. There are layers and layers to the symbolism and what it represents. And you can continue to peel those layers back and go deeper and deeper, and that is the continuing education of the Mason. That is what to continuously search for light, for knowledge. So let's just see what is written in Morals and Dogma in the first chapter as it relates to the square. It says, the square is a right angle formed by 2 right lines. It is adapted only to a plane surface and belongs only to geometry, earth measurement, and trigonometry, which deals only with planes and with the earth, which the ancients supposed to be a plane. Yes, the square is for plane measurement, okay? The ancients understood that the earth was a plane, fixed, immovable, set upon pillars. This symbol was only introduced into Freemasonry in the late 18th century, and my opinion is that it is influenced by the Royal Society and their pursuit of astronomy. So this book starts off with making sure to mention the use of these 2 tools and how they're used and represented as far as earth and with heaven. And it clearly says, this square is an instrument adapted for plane surfaces only and therefore appropriate to geometry or measurement of the earth, which appears to be and was by the ancients supposed to be a plane. Letting us know, again, that these tools are used for the measurement of a plane, flat earth. Not a globe earth, not a spherical earth, a plane earth. It's just, since the influence of the Royal Society, science, and their perversion, that we get this idol. And I think that the evidence and that the truth is right there in front of your face, and it's always been there. And so people have just allowed themselves to be brainwashed by scientism into this image, which is not our reality. It is not what we perceive, and it's not what we can actually measure. Why can't we measure curvature? Because it doesn't exist. Why are we given a square? To actually measure the plane of earth.